I want to share with you a quick and easy way to find your research resources in online databases. You can do it from your campus page or from library services. You go to school resources, research resources, and then you can choose your campus from there. Or if you're on your campus page already, simply go to the library, scroll on down to research resources, and to find professional materials, one of the best places to start is in the Gale Professional Collection. That's the ASCD Professional Collection. So I'm going to go ahead and open the ASCD database. And when it does open, you're going to see the newest bundle of the Dave Burgess titles that we just purchased. And that's where that 140 Twitter tips for educators can be found. There are hundreds of other ASCD titles as well that you can search, but this is a new and exciting bundle that we just received. Let me know if you have any further questions or ways I can help you. And to check out a book or read it, you simply click on the book, open it up. There you've got all of your contents. Once you have that, you can view the book in an ebook. You also, at this point, have tools you can use to download, send to your Google Drive, save to a folder, share, all kinds of other options and tools that are there as well. Enjoy!